Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on children and family and then click on parental controls. Then click get started and choose child or teenager. Now click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And here you have to enter your child's email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. And now you have to select your account. And here enter your parent email address. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next, click more, and then next. Then click next, and here you can click install family link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually, and then click on review controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.